The 70-mile dashcam 4K Omni is a cutting-edge device with impressive features like Sony StarVest 2 AI detection 2.0 and 4G support with impressive coverage and peace of mind on the road. This is Tajamul Adil. Today I will explore top 5 reasons why 70-mile dashcam 4K Omni is a worthwhile investment for any driver for security and safety on the road. So let's jump into it. The 4K Omni uses a Sony StarVest 2 IMX678 sensor for a main camera and IMX662 chip for the rear. It supports 4K resolution with 60 FPS in single channel mode with the HDR support and 4K with the 30 FPS in dual channel mode when a rear camera is connected. The rear camera offers a resolution of 1080p at 30 frames per second. The 4K Omni features a rotatable camera design that allow you to adjust the viewing angle to capture activity around your vehicle. Whether you are driving through intersections or parking, the adjustable lens helps you document important surroundings. The build quality is robust, giving the impression of a durable and reliable device. The 4K Omni features a minimalist design and a small display, including power and rocker buttons. Plus, there's an animated face on its screen that injects a touch of personality. The 4K Omni dashcam is equipped with dual Sony StarVest 2 sensors that allow you to capture sharp and crystal clear 4K footages. With the ultra high resolution, it can capture every single frame, every small detail, including license plate and street signs on the road. What does 4K mean for you? It means 4 times the resolution of standard 1080p, giving you incredible crisp, lifelike video that can make all the difference in critical situations. Whether you are reviewing footage for safety or insurance purposes, the 4K clarity ensures you won't miss a single detail. Everybody is interested in the clarity of the license plate in the recording. There's almost no condition that can block the Omni 4K from seeing a license plate clearly. And I could still see the license plate without any issue. I recommend that you watch this video till the end as I shared a lot of cool features and samples embedded at the end. The 4K Omni's parking mode continues to provide protection for your car when you are not around in your parking. I especially love its AI detection motion feature. AI motion detection 2.0, and this is where the rotation design supports makes a huge difference. The dash cam can detect human beings in front of the car and follow them as they move around. Motion detection alerts you to any suspicious activity around your parked car, sending you notification right to your phone. Also, the high quality footage captured in park mode serves as valuable evidence in case of theft or other incidents. The Omni is equipped with a range of advanced features including lane departure feature and forward collision alerts which contribute to a safer driving experience. The 4K Omni's Advanced Driver Assistance System ADAS features help you stay safe on the road, providing alert for potential hazards. Forward collision warning provide an extra layer of protection by alerting you to potential collision with vehicles ahead. Lane departure warnings help you stay focused and prevents accidents by alerting you when you drift out of your lane. The Omni allow you to view a live GPS tracker on the dash camera and location of your car. Isn't it a cool feature, right? The 4K Omni has a built-in GPS and uses its info to add overlays to live footage with real-time speed, driving direction, altitude, and other effects. Enjoy a more secure and stress-free driving experience with the 70 Mi 4K Omni. The advanced features and comprehensive coverage give you peace of mind. Knowing you have the ultimate protection on the road, embrace the future of driving safety with the 70 Mi Dashcam 4K Omni, your ultimate driving companion. As you have enjoyed my top 5 reasons why I prefer to use 4K Omni in my car for safety and driving companion. I know you want to learn how to install this friendly and animated 4K Omni in your car, so let me share how you can install this dash camera in just 30 minutes. We already learned how to install a dash camera in your car, but if you need a parking surveillance with the motion detection, then you need to buy a hardware kit, and you can find the buying links in the video description. Let me share my experience how to install hardware kit with the 4K Omni. So let's jump into it. Last but not the least, it's time to share you the video footages which I have recorded using 4K Omni from day to night. The 70mm dashcam 4K may come at the higher price point, but its significant features that fully justify the cost. You are not just getting 4K HD clarity, you are also getting enhanced night vision and motion detection features with the 4G remote access. These advanced features make it a premium product for the serious drivers who are looking for durability and peace of mind on the road. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. Also, if you're looking for car screen which can play YouTube and TikTok videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.